13.1 is, in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean will you choose? Okay, so we have to find out mean of the data. Okay, so we are given by some data, that is number of mangoes kept in boxes. Okay, so 50 to 52, that is 15 boxes. 53 to 55, 110 boxes. 56 to 58, 135. 59 to 61, 115. 62 to 64, 25. Okay, so this is the given data. By using all this data, we have to find out the mean of the data. Okay, so see, here in this case, there is a difference. Usually we are solving like making another column for finding midpoint xi, then making another column and so on. Okay, so for this case, listen, here the class interval is given as 50 to 52, 50 to 52 and 50 to 55. Usually like 10 to 20 and 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. Okay, so these are the commonly given class intervals. Okay, but for this case, we are given by 50 to 52, 53 to 54. That means is breaking. That is 50 to 52. And next number is, and the next class interval starts with the next number. Okay, right? That is 50 to 52 and 53, 55 and so on. Okay, can you get the difference? Solving such questions, we have used another method, a simple technique, that is subtracting minus half with the first number or the lower limit and adding plus half to the upper limit. Confused? No problem. I will show you how it works. Adding minus half to the lower limit and add plus half to the upper limit. Okay. Then we get some values, and by using all the values, we are making another class interval. Let me show you how we try. Okay, so the new class interval is just like this, that is, if we subtract minus half from 50, or minus half means 0.5, it becomes 59.5, and half means 0.5, that is 52.5. Okay, and now subtracting half with the first term, that is 52.5, and here adding 0.5. Okay, so 55.5. Okay, and okay, 55.5, and here it is 55.5 and 58.5. Here it is 58.5 and 61.5. Here 61.5 and 64.5. See, now it is in standard form, that is 49.5, 52.5 and 52.5 to 55.5, 55.5 to 58.5 and so on. Now this classroom interval is in our standard form, and now we are solving as usual method. Okay. Also we are using the step deviation method. Okay. So what's the next column? That is xi. Midpoint here, it will be 59.5 plus 52.5 upon 2. Okay, 51. Okay, and here it is 52.5 and 55.5. That on adding we get 108. Then 108 upon 2, it become 54. Okay, so 51, 54. Then what will be the next? It will be 57, and 60 and finally 63. Okay, so these are midpoints. Now let's assume a midpoint as the assumed mean. Okay, so I am here taking 57 as the assumed mean. Okay, now DI, we have to find out difference. So 51, first one is 51 minus 57, it is minus 6. Here it is 54 minus 57 and minus 3. Okay, here 0 and here it is positive 3 and here it is 6. Okay, now column is UI, that is equal to DI upon H. What is it? Here what is the class difference? See, 49.5 and 52.5, which means the class difference H is equal to 3. Okay, so now minus 6 upon 3 is equal to minus 2, minus 3 upon 3 is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so these are UI, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, now what is FI UI? FI UI. Okay, so this is Fi, that is frequency. So FI UI, what is FI UI here? That is 15 into minus 2 minus 30, 110 into minus 1 minus 110. Here it is 0, 115 into 1, 111, 115 and 25 into 2, that is 50. And we know the equation, that is x bar is equal to assumed mean plus summation Fi UI divided by summation Fi into H. What is summation Fi? That is 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Remaining 1 is there, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 400. So summation Fi is equal to 400. What is summation Fi UI? Summation Fi UI, that is below the zero values, that is considering these two numbers, sum is 165. Okay, and what about here? Here it is 110 and minus 110 and minus 30, that is minus 140. Okay, on adding these two numbers, that is 165 minus 140, we get 25. Okay, so summation Fi UI is 25. Now substitute all the values in this equation. Assumed mean is 57 plus summation Fi UI is 25 upon summation Fi is 400 into class difference H, that is 3. Okay, so here it is 5 times 5, 25. Here 8 times 5. Okay, 5 in 18. 1 5 is 5. 30, 60. Okay, that is 157 plus 3 upon 16. Okay, so 3 upon 16. Here it is 0. 116 is 16. Here it is 4 and 1 4. That is 16 into 8. 188 plus 4, 12, 128. Okay, so it will be nearly 0.18. That means 57 plus 0.18, which is equal to 57.18. So mean of the given data is 57.18. Okay, hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Answer.